Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and securing your data. Check your Mac model and free space. Catalina needs about 20-30 GB. Once done, make a full-time machine backup or a bootable clone so you can restore if needed. Sign into your Apple ID and temporarily turn off File Vault to avoid encryption holdups during install. Now open App Store or use the Catalina installer. Begin the download immediately and monitor progress so you can continue at the next step. You run the installer from Applications and follow on-screen prompts, agree to the license, select your startup disk, and allow the Mac to reboot. During installation, the system may restart several times and show progress bars. Let it run uninterrupted. If prompted, enter your admin password and keep the Mac connected to power. Make sure external drives aren't sleeping. Once the installer finishes, you'll reach the migration and initial setup screens. Proceed slowly through privacy and iCloud choices to finalize. You finish by updating apps and checking system preferences. Look for driver updates and permissions changes. Re-enable File Vault if you turned it off, and run a time machine backup immediately to capture the new system state. If something went wrong, don't panic. Reboot into Recovery Command R to reinstall Mac OS or use your bootable clone to restore. If the installer stalls, try Safe Mode or Reset NVRAM. These steps recover you quickly and preserve your data, so make those backups first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.